Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming location services and granting Google Maps the permissions it needs. Open the app and sign into the account you'll use for deliveries. Next, type the pickup address, tap directions, and choose driving mode. This gives estimated time and traffic info. Once done, add a stop if you must pick up multiple orders. Make sure to save any frequently used addresses as starred places so you can call them up quickly on future runs. You now focus on efficient navigation and route tweaks. After adding all delivery stops, drag them in the order you prefer or let Maps suggest the fastest sequence. This reduces backtracking. Use Live View for precise pedestrian-level guidance at complex drop-off points and switch to Satellite View to confirm parking or building layout. Make sure to toggle Avoid Tolls or Highways if that saves time or cost. Finally, glance at traffic layers so you can reroute before you hit congestion. You complete deliveries by following step-by-step directions, sharing your ETA with customers, and marking stops delivered. Take a photo if proof is required. Once a drop is done, move to the next stop and confirm updated route estimates. If Maps loses your location or reroutes incorrectly, quit and relaunch the app, toggle GPS off and on, or re-enter the address coordinates. That fixes most errors. Make sure you save an offline map for the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.